Hey everyone, this is Gabe Santayano, realtor here with the K Grant Group in Arizona. Wanted to come show you this beautiful property today in Scottsdale. Awesome location, almost 2,700 square feet. Follow me around, I'll show you around. It has beautiful floors. The beams in here are gorgeous. Formal dining area here, open to the kitchen. Nice bar area here, inside and out. Gas range here, farmhouse sink, great big refrigerator. Then you go into the laundry room, which is also very spacious, and you'll see a tankless water here. So nice, good area. Follow me back this way. You got kind of like a hidden little bar area here, pretty neat. Light turns right on as soon as you open it, shuts off when you close it. So that's another cool feature. I'm going to take you down here where you'll see the living area that I was at in the beginning with the beautiful fireplace. And again, take a look at the beams, those are gorgeous. Second living area here. Walk into the master bedroom here. You have a door that will lead you to the outside as well. Spacious, you got a fan in here. Walk into the amazing, gorgeous master bathroom. One of the prettiest bathrooms I've seen in a while here. Take a look at that walk-in shower, it's just amazing. Got a spacious closet. They're not done quite yet building it. But come down this way. I'm going to show you the outside and then we'll head over to the rest of the bedrooms. Great lounge area. It really has like an Italian feel out here. Little covered space here. More space to hang out and entertain out here. You really have a nice little event. Then you got some more space down this way. As you can see, I'll let you check that out. And we'll go into the rest of the bedrooms. Beautiful lighting everywhere. There's a lot of detail in this place. You got a hall bathroom, I'll let you check out in there. You walk this way, to my left you'll see an office. Then you got another bedroom down this side. You've got two closets and then another different bathroom. We'll walk right back out and I'll say goodbye in the living area here. So I'll let you take a last snapshot of the living area here, very spacious. And again, this is Gabe Santayano, realtor with the K Grant Group. Have a great rest of your weekend and stay safe, stay healthy. If you need anything, please reach out. Thank you.